Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best airplane activities for kids you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many airplane activities for kids and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each airplane activities for kids so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying airplane activities for kids. When choosing airplane activities, focus on items that are lightweight, compact, and easy to pack. It's important to pick activities that don't create a mess and can be used quietly to avoid disturbing other passengers. Look for options that match your child's age and interests, such as puzzles, coloring books, or reusable sticker sets. Safety is another crucial factor, so avoid small pieces that could be choking hazards. Consider activities that encourage creativity, attention, and calmness during long flights. Also, choose items that can keep your child entertained for different parts of the journey, like takeoff, mid-flight, and landing. Finally, always test activities at home before travel to ensure your child enjoys them. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.